Not much to do now, so I'll just talk about my B100. I purchased this one a couple of weeks ago, and I got this 3D printed 120mm fan mount for it. I covered the top one since I'm still missing my second GPU. I also have this adapter which takes in two PCIe 6+2 pins into a 4 4+4 8 EPS pin. That's it. Well, this is a setup. Well, it's cool enough. I'll test it a bit, and we should test it on LM Studio to see how it works. The power supply is just this cheap ass dark flash, and this case is just some case I found lying around which was long enough that it could hold this huge thing. So I've connected using no machine to the server or the graphics card, the PC holding a P100. I plan to load a Gemma 26B model on it with around 60,000 context length in tokens. Whenever I max it, it feels like I'm running out of VRAM, since this alone consumes around 13 GB, was it? 13.71, and we only have like 16 here. So let's try loading it. This is my previous prompt. I used this one for testing, while benchmarking the cooling if it was enough, because I was kind of skeptical on the 3D print. As you can see, it's being loaded now. We're at 14 GB. It's loaded. We can try my old prompt again. Write a 25,000 word, highly detailed technical analysis, blah blah blah. Let's send it. We're at 100% usage, around that much. And it's processing the prompt. Kind of a bit slow, actually. Actually, I wonder if we're offloading to RAM. I wonder that's why it's so slow. And I'm not sure we are. Okay, now that it's finished processing that, it's kind of pretty fast. My temperature is still around 57. That's fine. We're not reaching the max temp of 80. And we got around 20 tokens per second, and we made 1609 tokens. That's not bad, actually. We should try it on coding. I think I got Cline set up already. Let's check. Yep, this is C-line. C-line, alright. Select the model. We're running Gemma 426B. It auto gets the context window as well. Real-time virtualization of sorting. That's medium. Let's do easy. Basic sorting visualizer, bubble sort. Copy that. Again. It's processing the prompt. 347 tokens per second, was it? Yeah, I'm back. I'm back. Did it finish? Let's see. That's actually quite satisfying to look at. And so it actually managed to code it. That's impressive, I think. Let's increase the speed. It's way too slow. No, I think it just became slower.